Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie Budgets and Vlogs. I will link our shop down below if you're interested in checking it out. But I wanted to go ahead and get through my Freebie Fridays just because this part is very exciting for me. What we'll do today is count it up. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I have $23, but I did not check for K-Bucks, so I'm going to do that now. I have a K-Buck. So this cash right here will go into my Freebie Fridays because that's what we're here for, right? Let's scoot that back a little. And 1 second, I'm going to grab my letterbox binder. Okay, I did grab my binder here, and we're just going to go ahead and throw this 1K buck into this envelope. And we're not going to count it up, we're just going to set it back. And then the rest of this, we will go ahead and work on our savings challenges. All right, so the last time we came together, I was really focusing on trying to get some of these fall savings challenges in here. We do have a couple of the Halloween themed ones. We're still working through them. I refuse to throw them out. I think they're super cute, but also the point is to complete the challenge. At least that's what I keep telling myself. Don't just throw them out because, you know, it's not the season. It doesn't matter. We'll figure it out. So what we'll do today is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have my dice here, and we will... oh, dare we do some spices? Wait, this could be a quick video. 3 spices? I don't know. This might be really fast. Okay. Let's see, because I don't know. Let's see. I'm trying to close my eyes and make sure I'm not putting them in the, okay. Oh, $1 on top. Okay, so we're starting with $1. We're throwing in spices. Can you, okay, $5 spices. They're not even $2. This is going to be a quick video. All right, like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm not certain how much each savings challenge needs, but we'll jump in. 2. Uh-oh. We're already on a spicy. 1. Okay. Okay. And that one's a $25 savings challenge. So, all right, $5. 3. 1. Okay. We have another spicy. Okay. 2. I see why people love this part. The spices are exciting. Okay. 1. Okay. So 3, 4, 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, and 6. Come on. Jump in there. 3. Okay. 5. Got one. Okay. $5 spicy. 3. Okay. And we have $1 left. Who's getting this last dollar? 2. Okay. So a couple of my savings challenges didn't get any moolah, but we will start with those savings challenges so I can just, share with you where I got these freebies from. Now, some of these freebies, these people have shops, and they have the Ko-fi shops, or they have something. Sometimes they just post them on their YouTube channel. You just have to get out there and dig in the trenches, but I will link these ladies down below. This savings challenge is from Lady Di Saves. I explained last time, or when I actually pulled this one out. I'm not certain it is a fall theme, but she's so pretty. I threw her in there. So, and I guess I can tell you, this savings challenge has $2 right now. Okay. Got a sticker on there. Okay, sorry about that. Lady Di Saves is where this savings challenge is from. And let's go ahead and make sure. The next one we have the Fall Vibes, super cute, from Betty Budgets. Not getting anything today, but it does have $1. So I do want to go through and do these fall themes for November, but I want to go into December with some Christmas, winter themes. So we'll work on that. So, all right, this next savings challenge is getting $5, $6, $7. So we're adding $7 to this savings challenge. Now, I got this savings challenge as a freebie. However, I do not know whose channel I got it from. There's no name on it. And once I print it, I don't hang on to it and keep it. So If it's yours, let me know down below, you know, because I'd like to give credit. Sorry for my reach. I need to get something to color with. We're adding $7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woohoo! Okay. All right, adding that $7 here. And this savings challenge now has $5, $6, $7, $8, $9. Already $9. Man, I wish I could do spices every time. I'm gonna work on that. At least throw a couple $2 bills or something in there, because this was fun. $5, $6, $7 going to this next savings challenge. And I do not see my green. Okay, we'll use this one. Okay, we'll use this green one. Adding 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Holy moly, this one just needs one more. This is from Dice Budgets and Saves. I will link her down below so that way you can check her out and get you some freebies from her as well. This came in a set, so there's plenty of options to choose from. This savings challenge has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. I was thinking if I had $1, I could go ahead and throw it in here and save it, but my $1 that I had was a K-Buck. Dare I get change to complete this one? Yes, I will. I am. Okay, let's do this. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll get change. 4, 5. Okay, and now I need to add in $1 from my spending, and I'm doing it. That's how it's going to go today. We're going to add in this last $1. That completes this savings challenge. Was it a little bit of a cheat? Yes. However, it works. For those of you who don't know, I do save my Mini Mondays, Freebie Fridays for my Christmas binder, and it's been working perfectly for me, so that's how I'm going to continue to do so. And then I will grab another savings challenge, not right now, but before we meet again, I'll make sure I have one in there. And let's see, we have another spicy $5, $6, $7 going into the I'm Spooky and I Know It savings challenge. And this one is from Me to Budget. Oh, this one only needed $2. Yay! We're gonna color in 1 and 2. Okay, so what we have then, we have $5 left over. I'm gonna set this right here, and then we'll go ahead and get the change. Well, I guess we don't need the change because I'm just gonna add in another savings challenge. All right, so in total we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 buckaroos. Okay, that's awesome. So that means we have $5 here. $5 that was going into this savings challenge. So I'm going to have to find more savings challenges. Just bear with me. I'm a mess. I told you I've been sick for a while, right? Okay, so this one is getting $1. This savings challenge is from S&L Budgeting Besties, and I will link it down below. Adding in $1. Now has 2. All right. I've got to grab 2 savings challenges. Bear with me while I go on a hunt. All right, took me a second, but I found a couple that I want to go ahead and use. I was trying to make sure they weren't already in my setup right here. So first up, we have the Happy Thanksgiving from Cash Money Budgets. So we'll go ahead and put this one. We'll get started on this one next week. I still will link her down below because, I mean, obviously if you want that one, you'll have to go hunt for it. And this one's from Lil's World 733. And this one was a thank you for 700 subbies. And I got quite a few from her. She had a bunch of little micro ones. So we'll go ahead and get started with this one with $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this one just needs $5 more. throw in another spicy, I might get this one done pretty quickly. So yes, and I will link this young lady as well. So I think we've gone through, there's no more cash, so we definitely put everything away. Editing Silynthia here. Let's go to round 2. We're going to go ahead and stuff some cash into our savings challenges. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 bucks today, but we are going to do some spices. So this is going to be a quick one, right? Because I figured we can make it happen with, oh, I guess we're not really going to be able to shuffle it up all that much, are we? Okay, so I'm just going to shuffle a little bit, close my eyes, and just let the money fall where it may, and then we're just going to go for it. Okay. And I still have my dice here because for Freebie Fridays, I rolled a dice. We're just going to do that again. And yes, we're going to work on this. And you guys, I am really still trying to figure out what I'm going to do going into next year in terms of savings challenges. I feel like I've mentioned this before. It could be a little redundant for you all, but exciting for me. And I obviously want to share what's exciting for me, but I also want you to be able to enjoy what you're watching. So I know I'm going to get through November continuing how I have been doing my things here, and then I'll figure out the rest. I think this is pretty exciting the way things have been going. So let's go ahead, roll the dice, see what we're going to get stuff in today. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and let's go. 4, 1, 5. Oh, that was a spicy. I wasn't even paying attention. 2, 2, 2. Got a spicy. 4. Spicy. 3. Okay. Oh, we have one more spicy. 6. Okay, all of them got money today. I like it. I really, really like it when that happens, because when it doesn't, it's like, dang, that one's going to take so much longer to complete. Okay, so what we'll do is go ahead and count up the cash real quick. I have a couple of pens and marker because I don't know what colors I was working with over here. So this savings challenge is getting 2 bucks today. So now it has 4. The savings challenge is from SNL Budgeting Besties. And we'll just grab orange and color in 1, 2. Yep, and we have 4 bucks here. I think I'm going to try to get more change from my savings challenges so I can put these $2 spices back in. Granted, I've got to figure out Freebie Friday. I've got to get some money together for that. So we'll see how that goes. Got a spicy here, 2, 3, 4 bucks going into this savings challenge, which is a freebie from Lady Di Saves. All right, and so we're going to do 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this savings challenge already came with an amount attached to it that you could save. Well, the way my budget is set up, I'm really not able to really just save like that right now. So what I've done is I've covered the numbers with stickers and I just colored them. So that's how I made it work for me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bucks right now. The savings challenge has $6 already. And my mini Monday, Freebie Friday savings challenges do go into my Christmas binder. That has been working very well for me, so I think I'm going to keep that up for a little while. All right, this next savings challenge, it's getting $2 today. It is the Happy Thanksgiving savings challenge from Cash Money Budgets. Super cute. So cute. Where's my other, let's pull this orange one out. I guess it's more of a pink, but we're going to go for it. It kind of looked orangey. All right, 2 bucks. All right, next up we have $2 going into our Fall Vibe Savings Challenge. This one's from Betty Budgets, has 2 S's on there. And we'll go ahead and add this $2 here, giving us a total of 3. And ultimately, if it's blank circles, blank images, whatever, I believe it's supposed to be a roll and save, but I just do each circle or image, whatever, for $1 because that's what works for me. So you could make it $100 if you wanted to. It's up to you, however, whatever works for your budget. But grab the freebies, guys. It's a good way to save. All right, we got $2 going into this savings challenge, giving us a total of 7. This one's from Lil's World 733. And I think we were using this green, and we're adding $2. Perfect. This one just needs 3 more bucks. 3 more dollars. Okay. And our last savings challenge getting $2 today is the $1 savings challenge. At the time I'm filming this, I still don't know where this is from. If it is yours, let me know. I will link it. I'm going to continue to say that until I know for sure who it's from, or whoever claims it, really. We're adding $2 more here. 1, 2. All right, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11 in this savings challenge. It's a total of $24 that will be saved once it's done. So I do want to say I'm pretty proud of myself for getting through all of my Halloween savings challenges. It did take me to get through November, and November's fall and Thanksgiving savings challenges may in fact run into December around Christmas, and that's okay. I just thought it was fun to kind of use the theme of the season. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.